Recently, the Sopo Party coordinator for the Ochodonjupa, Ims Namasep, says development at Okakarara has been shortcoming over the years.
Okakarara has been under the leadership of the opposition parties, and no noticeable development has been observed over the years in Okakarara constituency. As we are talking, there are serious financial and administrative challenges due to bad governance in the Okakarara Council, as we are talking now.
Okakarara Constituency Councillor Ramana Mutjavikua differs, saying there has been notable developments in some areas, including health.
We had appointment of 20 additional nursing staff, 2 additional medical doctors, just to take our capacity to the level where we can handle the current population and setup.
In the education sector, Mutjavikua said stakeholders plans to separate the junior and secondary learners to make teaching easier. Currently, there are 3 schools that are combined. Plots have since been allocated for the junior level for the affected schools through the Settlement Development Committee. The Directorate of Education has already agreed on the separation of the schools, and local and international investors are ready to sponsor the construction of the schools.
So far, we have 3 potential donors on board. The idea is to ensure that come the opening of next year, we would at all costs be able to separate Okonjatu Combined School, Okamatapati Combined School, and Coplands Combined School, to have 2 different schools, 1 junior and one junior upwards, and then the lower grades at 1, because we want to, in the process, to cap all the social issues that are coming with it.
For the last 2.5 years, Mutjavikua says they have been in the planning process to bring about youth development in Okakarara, and there is progress in the establishment of an agricultural college on land adjacent to the constituency office. Namibia Training Authority has availed funds to this effect, says Mutjavikua. As part of the Okakarara Vocational Training Center, the hospitality department is in its final stage with the painting of the building. The college is envisaged to open next year with an intake capacity of 300 to 400 trainees. On housing, Okakarara has 547 plots at a new extension to curb land grabbing. Plots are available with minimal requirements as the town is focusing on the low-income earners. The partnership with Development Workshop will ensure that basic services are brought to those areas. Through other development partnerships in the housing sector, built together, the town council handed over close to 50 houses in the last 6 months. NHE has also constructed houses for the upper income residents, and the Ministry of Urban and Rural Development handed over 46 houses, while about 60 urban for the high income earners at Pamwe and Ellis Park are fully serviced. The sewage capacity system, however, needs to be attended to. Efforts are also being made for the road networks. Okakarara was established about 50 years ago. Evelyn Poles, NBC News, Okakarara.